Go live. Come just go ask her what I go on for yesterday, sir. Pussy clad. At the first, you see this. People, up top. Yes, daddy. You see me over now. Yeah, dog. Yeah. A while ago, me just get one call with a woman that threaten me, daddy. You know, say me not go call her one woman. You know, say she's a fan. Well, she watched that. I wouldn't call she a blood clot fan because you couldn't be a fan. I call my phone with them. I say, yes, really? Guess what? Hear me talk to me about 2 times on the phone. In a texting show media. So this morning, hear me now. I go call my phone. I tell me say she and blood clot Dovey a cousin. I know she want to lock up me and Spice. Anyhow, she catch we a blood clot England. Want what she a go do for suck out Dovey. Hear me? Hear me? Go suck out your mother, mama. Mama, we not afraid of police, my friend, man. I kill enough man, kill police. You feel me I deal with? Careful who for phone you call with that police argument. You hear me I tell you daddy? Because remember say you easier to catch than me. So all of the threat them when you call my phone and I send both, you go do this with Dovey. You need to go give Dovey some Listerine. You understand me pussy hole that police girl? You hear me I tell you? You can't catch me police bitch. But police who are, let me tell you this, you easier to catch. The blood clot call me for I don't give a fuck why your cousin could have Michael Jackson.
Right and face. Why you but Dan, why you mess with my this my cousin? So me say you call Dove, you call what's your name? Spice. Me can't call Spice so me can't disturb Spice. That's how the lady dirty thinking hear me saying up on the phone.
Yeah.
Me can't call Spice and disturb Spice and lock up Spice. When he come to England, me can lock him up. Hear me? The blood of Jesus against you and your whole blood clot family you are.
What did that madhouse yell, man? Which part are you, police? Which part are you? Eh? Police can't even dip on social media have comments and they sit now wrong name when you go off your hand. Can't have up no picture, can't do no live, no none of them thing. The police no indulge in them thing there. They can't. Because of social media, them use to catch people where do unscrupulous activities. You come with your bumbo class, police, tete bumbo class. What you want? What you want? Me still say Dovey if you go suck out him mother because Dovey not no career.
And Dovey teeth still
and Dovey teeth
round like grabber. Bumbo class. Want me this him to little woman bright. Wake me up out of my sleep. Oh, pretty than this, me cousin. Me say, who's your cousin, lady? Dovey Magnum. Me say, did you call Spice too? Oh, me I go call Spice too and cuss him. And me
you can't
go,
call Spice.
When Spice go come to England, me I go lock up Spice. Me say, move your blood clot and go and go suck out your mother 1,000 blood clot times, idiot girl.
Mama, I been saying fuck the police. You didn't hear that shit? NWA, bitch. Fuck the police, bro. I don't give a fuck about y'all. Call it my shit. Listen. The only thing me fear is a man with a gun in front of my face and I go bust it.
The only thing me fear is God. Not even the man will turn up to go shoot me. The only thing me fear is God.
Me can't fear God. You can't fear God. God too good for fear him. God full of too much love. You understand me? Me have to pour out my heart to Father God. Me no fear him none at all. Such a warm spirit. You can't have no kind. You understand me? You have to just love God. Because God just did it. And I got that. You understand me? I deal with? I got that. You understand me? Me, I go tell you this police bitch. If a Dovey send you come call me, you and Dovey go flick up and chuck up and spread off in our mama daddy. Go spread off in our mama dog. Dovey come out to do a song one day. No matter how much time we call Dovey name, my song can't big. I want to the one it wonder the hey girl. Go suck out your mother. I want to Dovey have career. Go suck hey girl. Hey girl. You know hear what Masika say? Someone who come in a dance hall and get to look at one song where a reel up or look at two songs, who no feel like who no reach, who no feel like who no blood clot make it. Who no make it goody? Goody? Who no make it? Cabal out now do nothing for me nor you, Dovey, because your teeth they still brown and you're still overweight and shaped like a carrot. Go suck your mama. I want I know me how this you. I know me I got this you. Boy, you have police cousin a call. Me like, hey, Dovey, go suck out and flick up in your daddy. How you man? Big over blood clot size shape like bumbo clot butter. You shape like one big bumbo clot butter. A country crack. You country crack? I can't believe it's not butter. Eh? Then go ball out in a one dentist chair with your big brown ugly blood clot hacks teeth them. Your teeth they look like they can pop out your head and lick out somebody in my youth. And that me I try to tell your daddy. You look like your big old ugly brown teeth them in the head can pop out your head and bust up somebody's head, daddy. Huh? Which part you get cousin from? I can call me boy, you know cousin or you know this. You want hear me go suck out on the parents. Quickly. Nah, no my hands, my friend. Don't me not like you. But the bomb buckler me I like you for. Me no look like, first of all, if you get off a fuck off of somebody like me, ups with your thing. Cause me a top man, me a look good boy with bend foot. You look a knock knee bumbuckler K foot, bumbuckler special K brand, bitch. You me a talk. Which man in a them sensible mind think I go take up a jar of blood clot ice cream like you brown teeth, bitch? Eh? What go on, Kem? Eh? Hey, little oversized bitch. Let me tell you this KK motherfucker. Let me tell you this bumbuckler. You need to look like sitting where people pop off and turn in a boomerang. Go suck your mother, girl. Eh? Want to you good, eh? You watch boomerang? Eh, brown mouth, bitch? What are you good as? Eh? Go find the next hit, one hit wonder, move your bumbuckler. Eh? Eh? Eh?
Hear me walk and beg cousin like blood clot.
Hear me walk and beg cousin like dog. God they know you not even know you, Dovey. You good at one of your friends them you send over your big family. Nobody no want to be family with you, Dovey. Dovey you shape like a upside down cone. Move your bumbuckler for us. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. 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 Hey, girl. Hey. Look a pussy hole out shaped it bumbo hole. Make I tell you this blood clot. Mama, you shape like what we done, boy. You search and dash it in a bush, good day. You heel shaped it. Your teeth them brown. My skin chrome, not brown. Me mean brown like a table, Dovey. Go ball out in a dentist chair, go and go ball out in a Walgreens, bitch. You have career. You have career, you have somebody. You have somebody. Eh? You shape like a upside down beer buckle. Hey, big fat bumbuckler red stripe light. I want to you, bitch. Mama, you shape like the sorrel beer. The buckle. Mama, you shape like a red stripe beer. The fat buckle with the little foot them. Hey, fat bitch. I don't care who the fuck is you will call my phone if you're not at this or that. It want to make up and send on yourself over me thing and me go send on up in our mama now. Up in our mama me go send on now, man. Just climb up the like Dora the Explorer daddy. Huh? Dovey, why you not go run down a bumbuckler career? Why you not go ball out pan a career? All you good for? Only just want vloggers to call on the names. Oh, I'm telling you. I saw no want it now, you know. Tune realize say cartel a theme vlogger them. Spice a fear vlogger them we call up her name and make her thing nice on social media. Run couple joke. Who you have dirty thinking nasty pussy Dovey? Who you have? No matter how me shame I embarrass you upon this your song can't sell big pussy girl. Cause me don't like you. You have something for you if you like? Eh? Remember you did have one long time video with your big ugly brown teeth, but when you take people mad, know when to call, know when to text, know when to text, I know when to hold your blood clot corner because you can never get a man for yourself, big bitch. Big fat bitch. You can never get a man for yourself, overweight bitch. Eh? Jenny Cray, slim fast, go suck your mother fat bitch. You me attack. I want to the, hey girl, I want to the caramel pudding here, man. I want to the caramel pudding here. Cause bitch, you no potato pudding in a brand pudding that in. Me say Dovey a brand pudding that in a Dovey. You feel like me I deal with? You there starve off the dentist them. And there so with one amount of loose chat, boy, you know people business, I know when to take people, man, I know when to call. Ugly girl like you have to take people, man. Big fat ugly girl like you have to take people, man. You see, ugly girl ever walk around and say then take people, man. Like you, Dovey. Ugly people do that. You see me? Ugly and favor one bumbuckler. You, dog. And last night me I watch it. Who never watch Super 8 yet? Who know a monster way in there? We are kill half the people. I saw you looking at Dovey. Dovey, I saw you look. You understand me? What your cousin doing in my inbox? What your cousin doing there? You and hear me go find the nearest cocky and suck it together. Who not shit bag together? Dovey, you're not in a career. Dovey. No, we don't want to hear from you, Dovey. Ball out, steal. Resurrect yourself. Somehow you think when you look at one hit, them can keep up on yourself, you know. Some people do one video or one 2 video or one 3 video, then think they're hot. You do one song or one 2 song on a thing so you're hot. But you don't get no award. You don't make no great money. Because Dovey, you don't make no money because your teeth are still brown and you still shape like carrot. Dovey, a carrot you shape like see you know. You get the drift, my kid? You don't get the drift? What your cousin are doing on me inbox too, me shell you down couple, you see me? You never hit song in your bumbuckler throat. Cause Ball Out is a club hit. That ain't no hit nowhere else. It not even there on your Viva goodie. You know no career. How put it up? Akam? Me no know. Akam have more bumbuckler followers than you. You big? You big? Which one are you big? Move your bumbuckler brown teeth ras. Move your brown teeth ras. You understand? Teeth, you know? White. Yeah. Go suck your mama with your bumbuckler. Hey. Who do you think one song a blood clot hit? You think that a fermentate in a dance hall? You idiot. You need more, bitch. More. Yeah, dog. How you know? I want peer tree, man. And you know, see, it's tree house there. I start the live them up in a tree house, you know. Talk the business in a tree house. Up there we are go. Yeah, we have all blood class house of tree over the side there. Beer shrimps are going over the side there. Shrimps are going over the yard there. Yeah, and as I say, you know they go already, you know. Dovey. So me look into it. You don't know no better, you know. Because Tita give over your stuff. Triple J, Dovey cousin come in my inbox early this morning and say she gonna lock up me and Spice. Because we are walking a trouble our cousin and our cousin are trouble nobody. Dovey, yeah, your cousin need a roller. I'm not more like dog to bumbuckler. You and your cousin? We don't need some perfume. The frozen life now gone nowhere. What the fuck we not do in my inbox and in a bed? Eh? A hungry people with beard if you come in my inbox, daddy. Come out of me bumbuckler. Yeah, man, cocky rusty up Dovey teeth. Me not hear what you hear one song say you want balls in your forehead. Hmm? At that, Dovey cousin come in my inbox and I tell me about how me and Spice has been trashing brown teeth. Dovey, what the fuck you want me for rate you for one song? Dovey, you're not a career. Dovey, that is not a career in a dancehall. Me have more video on YouTube than you. So me know me I get more PR for YouTube than you. You understand me I did? Huh? Hey, me love Spice bad. Spice is my baby. I love my baby Spice. You understand me? Spice, sweetie. I love you like life. I swear. You understand me? I love you like life, my baby. I swear, boo. Ah? Yes, Spice. Yeah, I know. I really do. Hey, I want to thinking about Dovey. Dovey, from to your teeth, they look me know your mouth thinking. Dovey, just to your teeth them brown alone. Me know say your mouth very stink. You see me? No. I bash Dovey, you know. And Dovey then come in my inbox. And I make me know say me deserve a lock up for what me do to Dovey. What me do to you, Dovey? What I want to do is grab your skull off your bumbuckler teeth them. You understand, Dovey? Dovey want to catch your whole of steel hood and crab off your teeth them. I don't want to trash you, I don't want to bash you. I want to brush your teeth them. That I want to do. You see me? What the fuck do you, kid? I want to brush your mouth, Dovey. I don't know this thing. I don't know this thing. You understand me? Your fucking teeth them brown like Hennessy. You understand what I deal with? Weed and Hennessy with a little bit of grab leaf. And that me I tell you. So my father and you fi be best friends because I sing about your teeth them in a one song. Grabber, Hennessy. Watch that. Good them man, mama. Yeah man, I mud stick that man. It look like somebody stepping out Dovey mouth with water boot full of mud. Yeah man. Yeah man. I want wire brush a girl one. For them the rusty teeth there. Dovey your teeth them rusty like. Your teeth them rusty like nail. Yeah man, grab on it. Henny! Put the Henny! How are you? Hey, fuck that! Don't do what me tell you if you do it first time. Do this now. God Jamaica link up with the Rasta them up at Bobo Hill. The Rasta them up there have one stick named Cho stick, you know. Dovey, if the acid off of your chew stick no melt off your brown off of your teeth, Dovey, God know. A lot. What? Dovey, me say, God Bobo Hill. Link any one of the rest them where you see up there could have sizzler. Ask him, I wish by the 263 there. He said they go up there and pop off the... Mama take off a limb. Take off a bumbuckler limb and chai up here, mama. Mama chop a limb because a piece of stick that girl. Me say, mama, you need the limb. Huh? My God. Boy, Dovey. Boy, you make it look like having good teeth is some kind of a fucking joke. You understand me? Take the whole fucking tree. Hey, take a tree, Dovey. One day you come and find out if I continue. Dovey. Fuck that. Me know where the girl there Jamaica will make acid. That the acid that tear off anybody's skin, me mean it melt it off like a blood clot bleach that. Hear me I say. Dovey, I go and make your meat her. And you use little of this here acid here as Listerine and you see sitting. Mr. Dovey, use this as Listerine and you see sitting. Me say, Dovey, use that as Listerine. Cause my friend Bud Bunny acid, you know. She know if it make it good. Mama, all I brown off of your teeth disappear, mama. Brown be gone. I saw you go call that acid the brown be gone. Dovey, Dovey, hey. I want the bomb clot. My God! Dovey. Hey. Me not like how some people are going like say artists no out here so forget trouble, you know. Someone no look up to an artist and me now wearing. We don't even admit. Remember, you know, if somebody asks me something about teacher, I feel like say them I truth. Me I say yo I truth, but I'm an artist. What the fuck do you? Killer? No, alright. Don't use the acid, cause it'll burn up your mouth. Use some blood clot grammar zone gutters. You understand me the gutters? Bumbo clot. And you know some never know some have one lighter in my pocket. I swear I think I get me that we go get up, Dovey. Dovey, call your teeth, cousin them. Hey, Dovey, say good morning to your teeth then cousin. Good morning. Your teeth then cousin. You see I'm thin today. And should I did them on the tree a little bit more like fear teeth them. Fear teeth them more look overripe, you know. Fear grab them. Then left them on the trees until them are turn black. All grabber. You know what them here there? This is the grabber. Grabber. You understand what I deal with? Me have some energy. You understand what I deal with? Me love it. You understand what I love energy. So, Dovey, me gonna give you a song. Where you figure sing? Dovey, right now, you know what hit song? You know what hit song, Dovey? I hit you. Dovey, remember say from who are there, Dovey? And your teeth, them my topic. Me see you come out on a video and say, you nah clean up your teeth, them. Alright, fine, okay, alright, you know what clean up your mouth. Alright, good, clean. Dovey, hearing your hit song, go and go sing about your teeth, them. Go sing about your bumbuckler teeth, them. You know, say I make a hit song drop out of your mouth like dentures. Good as, go and go bumbuckler sing about your teeth, them. I don't for them to talk about my teeth brown like grabber, like anything. But me tell you this, I love my mother. You understand what I deal with? Yeah, carry on after that. You understand what I deal with? Them say grabber teeth, anything teeth, but me still clean. You know what them look weird there? Yeah, my clothes clean, but my mouth brown. You understand what I deal with? I just say it go. You feel what I deal with? Yeah, every time I step out, my car white and my teeth them brown, white and brown. You understand what I deal with? Yeah, I've on a white sheet, but my teeth them brown. I've on a white pants, but my teeth them brown. You understand what I deal with? And what do you make this job? You're gonna make this job, you're gonna make the hit song jump out. You idiot, you know? You really want idiot. I could have me. Gone. Gone. You better turn. You could have seen me. I hunt for a hit song and hit song the right as in my face. I'm not taking it. You want a fuck kick in your chest? My brown teeth. My teeth them brown but me use Listerine. Me teeth them brown but me use Colgate. Me teeth brown but me man there me gate. You know them way there? Sing by your brown bumbucklad mouth. Sing by your brown mouth. Gaza well and rolling. You know the style. Gaza till death, man. You understand me? Kude, Dovey, you make my God a dance all day now. in a prison. And look what teacher teach them. Could teacher teach them how them white and nice? Like him man live one toothbrush in his mouth to bum buckler to him and teeth them. And you there road where freedom there, where Colgate there. You there foreign. Toothbrush $1 in a dollar store. You can get dollar Colgate. And you mean for tell me say you have your teeth them brown, sir? Huh? What kiss me bum buckler, dog? Free world boss every day we are seeing in a couple months. Duh. Yeah, man. Dovey, you can't make a man with the behind bar seat white and fear. Dovey have pitney? Somebody tell me. Dovey get youth? Dovey get youth, people? Huh? Tell me. Tell me. Dovey get youth? Because there's no way. You couldn't have one pitney and I got a bum buckler parent teacher meeting with your mouth brown, sir. She have a son? His son must hate Dovey. Because the one thing with boy pitney, as their mother no look right, them I tell them. Mommy, I don't like your teeth, them. Mommy, I don't like your teeth, them. They're too brown. They're too brown, Mom. Mom, please. Please, Mom, go to the dentist. I'm begging you. I don't like to see your teeth that brown. Your teeth them brown bad. You understand me? What do you, Dovey? What do you? Boy, pitney, your boy don't love you, Dovey. But then again, you can't say boy no love him too, you know. You grow conceit. Hey, if I did my mother, all your baby father for shame. Brother, you really coming at Dovey? You see how man and ambition? Wanna see it? Our cousin come in my inbox this morning and tell me say she want to lock up me and Spice. She want to lock up me and Spice. I said, did you go and tell Spice that? She can't tell Spice that. Spice don't even fucking know this bitch. What Dovey do to me? She exists. That she do to me. And that Dovey do to me. Dovey do this to me. You deal with her, she exists, she trouble my spirit. Yeah, that's what I mean. I want to brown mouth, Dovey. Dovey mouth look like when you have carnival and rain fall and it get muddy. I wanted that outside toilet, girl, man. We have to be able to stop now. Baby, come here. Why? It's stressed out. Oh, yeah, I'm there. Alright, go on and do your thing. She shaped like a Sunday carrot. No, me that you want to go to weed. Watch your other. See if naked and come out. Passport, don't go on. See if naked and come out here for 2 out of weed. It's not light yet. Hey, Dovey, with your big oversized sour breast them. All underneath Dovey breast them must sour. Dovey? Underneath your breast them must have gather sour fly your fuck.
You know, see, I be a gum in a Dovey mouth.
Hey, you
Dovey only have 3 fucking teeth in her mouth. Dovey, you can't chat to me because 3 teeth you have in your blood.
Gus crap. You hear that? Stacy said it. Dovey. Go, you need to go put in some dentures.
Dovey, I never me tell Amy, your cousin Amy to call Dan when Dan that go through him blood clot misery. I never me tell her no fi call Dan. So what? Go suck your mother.
Quick and fast. The camera? Hold on, let me see. Me make you worse? Hey! I want sitting, Mr. Dovey can never. Ban. Dovey, I fuck with you with a part they do. Me thank God say you ban. But go take care of him out, no?
Dovey should I never sing ball out with them the blood clot teeth there.
That is also true. Suck your mother. Yes, good as a twang when you suck your mother part. Majesticness. No, you know, say not hot. And at this time I get me a lose. Because I like when my taste grab in my weed. What happened last night? Tell us what happened last night. Is that not true? Don't you ever eat tune in your mouth and not know them brown teeth there? Huh? Jay! Don't you are wicked. I could have never have so much talent in my mouth and not sing about them. Hey! 6! Oh, go on! Then hear this and know some tire. Blood clot, I tire all out like a goat to blood clot. You know, say, well, I win the same pen every morning. Yeah? You all win the same pen every blood clot morning. Yeah? Hey! When me did hear this song ball out, me never know how she do it. Yeah, man, the breeze is cool and nice. Wake up this morning, smiling with the... Yo, Dovey, you see that? Dovey, me have a sister named Ling Ling. Me have a sister named Ling Ling. You see Lingers? Lingers look good, you know. Breast them brown and pretty. You understand me, Dovey? Belly flat. You know the shrimps out there. You understand me? This is the organic body. You see that, Dovey? You see that? When me a wine, me know they all over the place. Me a go down and a come up in a circle. Like a bounce and a blood clot bubbled at the same time. You understand me? But through your body full of so much blood clot shape, we don't know what we call it. You shape like a square, a triangle, one rectangle. You understand what I deal with? So you can't go do it like that, good as. Yes, if you get your belly flat like this, Dovey, this is what you do, brown mouth. Go inside of Publix. You're here in America, bro. I suggest you start with simply lemonade if you like juice, because it has 000. It mean drink. Yeah, that's what I deal with 3 now. Yes, because I drink this simply lemonade. Me in a shape like barrel. Me more shape like one Coca-Cola bottle. Because you know, so me have little come out here, so, and then in here, so eating like so. Yes, man. You understand what I deal with? I more shape like... Do you watch Popeye? You have something in it named Olive. Long and tall. That is pretty. You understand what I deal with? You have to know these things, fat pig. You understand me? Cowie, Listen, Cowie. You need to know. I don't want to call her Dovey from this day. Just call her Cowie. Cowie Magnum. You understand me? Yo, big up Cowie Magnum. Straight out of blood clot Jamaica. Big up Cowie Magnum. A Cowie Magnum. Yeah, Lord. Cowie! Yes, daddy. Yes, cow face. You know it go already. You know. What happened to cow face, man? Oh, yeah. Me that cuss you, boy, you're careful. Show mind them then. You see that, Dovey? You said that you look? My foot them there. Who you over this and that? Who you over this and that? You said that, you see me? Just down there. Just down there. I'm just in there wine and jump. You know they sit there already. Bow legs. You understand it? The topic, you know, that's today we just come here and fuck around. No topic today. You understand what we are doing? Yes, man, properly. Yeah. But when you see Dovey, this is our Dovey shade. You make me want ball out. Oh, you make me have a ball out. Oh, you fuck me so good, me. Oh, you know, hey, I want the Dovey. And them knock knee wine, you Dovey put on all the while, you know. They knock knee wine. I want the Dovey. The knock knee wine. Why? I feel like I want to drop. Love it, you know. Look. See you with Shana, you love it, you know. Big up Cowie Magnum, anyway. Hey, Ducky Magnum. You can't shape like one ace of spade. You know the ace? The ace, the biggest spade. I hate. Burn half 6, I swear. Not the girl pussy straight. Well, in the sheet, but me now walk with it on the street. Don't even laugh, this. Me no say no. Me no say it not sweet. But in the shit, me now walk with it on the street. You know that way there? Yo, me nah do this. Yeah. No need have nothing to do with pussy. Talk. 6. 6 tell them no man. So you have bow leg jello pussy big too. And you have knock knee jello pussy big. You have bow leg jello pussy tight. And you have knock knee jello pussy tight. I just saw it go. You understand what I deal with? I just saw it go. You understand me? They live good. They live like Siamese twin. Dovey foot them live very good with each other. They live like son neighbors close. You understand me? Dovey foot them live like Portmore house them. Join on together. You understand me? Because you know every house I Portmore join on. You understand me? Yes, daddy. Dovey look like he'd have an abusive man before your bus. Because man kick out the whole of your blood clot teeth them and left Uncle Gum, you know? A source of gum alone left in your bumbo clot mouth, you know, good as. Good as? Right now you're supposed to give the best head in a dance hall because you don't have no teeth for touch man cocky good. No wonder you can sing about the sucking a cocky sir, because you just love it good. Them there spark right now. Me know say Dovey foot them rub together underneath Dovey black. In leg them black. You know what I mean? Have a hawks. Low and gum 6. I swear nothing else in a girl mouth. No teeth but gum. Yo, tell them no teeth to laugh them. Knock out in teeth, them I must say that's why she da ball out. Hey boy, knock out my teeth, me ball out. Only gum in my Ross mouth. And that you want to sing good eh? Goddess. Nothing for scrape your hood. What do you 6 man? You don't know a 6? Nothing not dead if you brush on the cocky. Just gum in your mouth, swipple. You just a fucking mouth, sir. Mouth have better walls than in wall. Cause you don't know when the gum did it alone, you know, man. With the nice part, I hope, yes, sir. I saw what's a pussy that. She have to do her teeth, them. I want to Dovey teeth, them. Dovey teeth, them need for do. Them need for do. Right now. Dovey could Dovey, it's a pretty breast there. It's a pretty breast there. You see when me sit down, me tripe them this. This is my tripe them, right, Dovey? You can't say me no much because when me sit down and you see I want to lick a belly still, you know. You know, Dovey, you see when you sit down, kiss me ass, good ass. Come for your verdict. For your blood clot belly drop in your lap, you know. Over your pussy, you know, comfortable on the seat, right? Yes, sir, you know. Like it's a waterfall, you know. What a bumbo clot on Dovey belly. But me know when to call, know when to get me dividends, I know when to hold my blood clot corner. Dovey, yes. Yes, Dovey. Yes. Cause no man no want you. You always have to go there with somebody, man. I know when to call, know when time for this, know when for that. Oh, well, I want to see that video there with brown mouth. A brown mouth, they do it, you know. It is Dovey. That ugly bitch. Fear gap teeth ugly. Huh? Nobody no want you. So you have to know when to call, know when to sit down and wait for the little two or little two bills. You understand me? Yeah. Yeah. What's the war going, Craig? After one pit in your belly, you just let yourself go, bitch. No good as me not ask Christ if you let yourself go. You let it go. Hey, Dovey, me not tell a lie. Me not want to really cuss with you, you know, good as. Because girl we in a shape class with girl for your cuss them way there. Good me in a shape class. No. I don't see this. I don't understand. I don't know. I can't recover from the whole of this. Dovey. Dovey, there is a time and a place for everything. Me good as blood clot ling ling. If me hear say all a blood clot termite like you a take for me man. With fear blood clot teeth then look. So me not left me man. Me a poison him blood clot for shame me so. Me a poison my man for shame me. You mad? Look about how you. Them can't say me blood clot poison. The amount of girl you fuck like chuck. Me not look at you. Me see my man come home and him fuck them the under blood clot barrel girl there. And want to say you are my mate. Me poison the two blood clot you know. Me nah do this. Me tell you no blood clot right now. 987654321 on no blood clot right now. Me First of all, my man come over and find out say my fuck sitting like you. Instantly me blood clot pies. I saw the pies go. That's so. Me? Oh, listen, me my old and you're old enough you get the same activity. You're not on my level. Would me look good? Good? Me say, hey, listen, every girl I talk about say any girl can take your man. Me not say no. But him and it to get pies. I'm not ask Christ. My man can't come tell me saying fuck out no ugly girl. Girl will look like bottom of the blood clot barrel. Will look like Elsha seaweed. You mad? Him and the blood clot seaweed have to go. Leave. Left. Me not going in an argument with you over that the blood clot dirty pad then either. Because I not even know say that dirty pad me there with. Keep him bull with 2.5 pies. When me done blood clot bake. Because when time me stress out, me like cook, you know. Me like cook. Good as I will bring a peace treaty cake come give you, girl. Peace treaty, like, girl. You know what? I don't want to fight with you. I want you to know that if he loves you, you should be with him. You understand me? Like, I don't want us to argue or have any social media drama. So I baked you a cake and I packed this stuff and here's this stuff. You can put them inside if you must. Goody, as you take the first slice, you're dead, Goody. I'm here make sure they're on the car of a drive, come back at the yard for me cake. Because I don't want no evidence point to me, so I mean pies here. Yeah? You didn't expect me to come blood clot argue with a shit bag like you? For what? You and the man I get pies. Yeah. I feel me pay that. I don't want him back after you now, Goody. You mad? I can't fuck after you. You mad? Me fuck after you, girl. Can't do that. Me not fucking behind you. Because, hey, the man them out here fuck some dreadful looking girl good as. Me not ask Christ. Me not tell you about girl where, you know, have little bubble, little class, little niceness, little tick, little tack, little tick. No! Me tell you some horrible looking blood clot girl. And then, Jesus Christ. Them your money, and one time we find out, say, oh, you know, same day we do an alligator. Alright. What you want me to do to the blood clot alligator? Go fight the alligator? Or poison me, I go poison him and the alligator. Tony can't shame me, sir. I who not try shame? Am you not embarrassed? Eh? Am you not try shame? Yeah, me not say my man can't fuck a ugly girl. But you better make sure me no blood clot find out about that. You better make sure me no find out about that. A pie is not your blood clot, yeah. Pie is not your blood clot, you see? Well, I can't bother with it, you know, go there. Any Pokemon? Blood clot. No, I seen this clean or something there. But all me no need them lovely things here. For do what, I not try to hold up no titty. See one more in there?
Mind the nipple show, because you couldn't do that when you're off the ear.
No.
Show people property.
It look bumbo clot could girl nipple. I not do this. Blood clot, I have to take out that one or two. When I see nipple over here, so too. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Bumbo clot. Yeah, them lovely breasts here. You understand me? Then your man go out there to go there with some blood clot reptile. I be a reptile. The man them go out there go there with CSA. Me nah do this. Just Chris, me nah look at you, you know. It's too early. It's too early. Shana, me not want to fight you. PS nipple them no good. I don't like pee and I'm going to fucking on my own. Hey, look so. Let me talk about the blood clot reptile life. Because I eat a one. The blood clot reptile life. Them a girl, hey. The man them not have nothing about them. Good girl of them blood clot yard, but them a fuck be a blood clot alligator and bullfrog and blood clot. Hey, me not do that. Eh? Me no care if an ugly girl can balance her catch. If she fuck me man, me a poison it two of them. Me now go take that shame and embarrassment there. And with a friend them you walk on top and say, Bumbo clad. Look how Ling Ling used to go on over that the boy there. And look on the reptile where him go cheat on her with. And what kind of creature this? And what kind of space except this blood clot here? You understand me? What in the name of Area 51 is going on in this bitch? Me not take the embarrassment. Good eh? Hey, no at you know. That when an ugly girl a walk on the boat say she fuck your man, you know. You will shame. Don't tell me say that. Shame. Big blood clot embarrassment that. Me not take that shame there. Me not take that shame there. Girl. Bitch, bitch, how the fuck I'm gonna take that, bitch? Huh, bitch? Is you crazy? I ain't never walking around telling nobody, say, yeah, me still love him. From your fucking blood clot reptile, I sign off your bumbo clot, is go there. When I put an extra your bumbo clot, you think a war. Pussy will all you a poison out to no bumbo clot. A poison, me a poison. Me a poison, no can't shame me, so. Alien take my man carry go Mars, go do what? Pussy will better carry. Hey, don't carry him back, keep him bumbo clot. The bone hot. What down the sister is a blood clot ugly girl. Let me tell you when the bone no hot now. Mama hot as you know. Jesus Christ. When you see mama, all you look up to mama like you say Jesus Christ. No, I'm not telling no lie. The girl look good do you know. At least me can see the boy you step up in her life. The boy you step up in her life. Cause mama hot. Mama person go out with the whole lip. Jesus Christ, so mama drive. Nice blood clot brown cute girl. Nice girl, chromas, nice hands. Thick and out there. So you say, well, me I get burning at them the time they your ball now. At them the time they your ball. When a good as stick your man. You understand me? Not a reptile, not a blood clot area 51 saga, none of that. Me I talk about the bone at. When tell your sister is a blood clot species, your man there with. Yeah! Ugly girl I'm gonna take on a man for hyper, No ugly blood clot girl can't come hyper me. No ugly blood clot girl. I poison you, my man, you fuck go there. I am just talking from a phone perspective, because you know me gay, right? But just talk from a phone perspective. Yeah! But don't talk. Poison out your blood clot, you see. You can't share me them in a wonderful way there. Oh. I stay away. And beg who? Fedora. When? Why? Go on to the reptile because the poison so keen in your blood clot and I want you and the reptile dead on the bed together. Die in love. What the bumbo clot do now? Me not do this. Me not bumbo clot do this. Me? Hey! It a shame my embarrassment today, man cheat by you, yeah, we all know. But I share my embarrassment today, a man go fuck a creature. Yeah, blood clot, when I done poison and that the blood clot creature there. Hey, when me done with the other creature, me no want you back, you know. Me no want you back. Say you. That's all the black poison, you know. Cause mama over there say wine up on the cake, you know. The cake is soaking in she right now, you know. The both town are going to see you know, one another soon. You understand me? Me not ask. Yes, mama said it. Of course, he can do that. Send your number, I'll talk to you. Me not ask Christ. Me not gonna take that shame and embarrassment the way my man would have want to put up for me if you go do with that the blood clot reptile there. Remember, say people know say me there, you know, sir. And then they see with Area 51 and then what the fuck me look like? Burn the body them, not even that me know what the more them blood clot decompose and just rotten out. Me not even want burn no. You know, just stay in the bed and just dead it to her, you know. But you know want to take people man looking like bumbuckler, rub off shoes bottom. What do you know? No blood clot. Hey, if you're not hot girl and you take my money, you'll get poison. So I better you not do it. If you know say UF bumbuckler or them money go wicked no blood clot for come up and take up them UFO mileage here. And I can go on like say the UFO mileage them just can't wait for somebody man fuck them. Hey, me say them creature yeah. Hey, them no blood clot good solid girl though single they have a man for themselves. No solid good me I telling the truth. You see if a solid good girl want to be single because she want to be single, me I tell you that. Always the reptile them. Always the UFO mileage them a take one man them. You know why? Nobody know why UFO mileage. They want to fuck though. Any blood clot ugly girl take my man, she and him a get poison. Me a poison out them blood clot. Me a poison out them blood clot. Them have to get poison. Me not take that embarrassment then. No ugly girl can hype on me. No ugly blood clot girl can hype on me, boy. You take my man. I spit in your ugly blood clot face, see? I spit more spit in your face, girl. Cause you not worth these hands. You're not worth these hands, baby. You feel me? These hands? You ain't worth these hands, bitch. You could get these hands, but I just spit more spit in your blood clot face. You have your blood clot mileage. If me go lick you, me hand I go dent up. Go ugly. Go ugly. Move with the blood clot. One thing. My sweet. You wanna see my trim? Anytime I see me put on the lace front, I'm going on with myself. Wow, me nice. Without even that right now, I'm nice. Because I don't have no blood clot, makeup, no red. My eyebrow, them want to shave. I know my ear want to come. But me nice. You understand me? I'm nice. So, I don't want to look a blood clot and nice girl come running for me thing because I am a 7. And it look fuck up. When time you see one, yo, it look fuck up. When time you see 1 3 or 1 2, take your man. You is a 7, you know, and 1 2 or 3, take your blood clot, man. Me is a 7, me is fight, I spit more spit for you. Oh, you have to run up in my face, you not see me a 7. You not see me is a 7. I am a 7 and you is a 3, you is a 2. You understand what I deal with? Oh, you have to run in for my thing. All tight and right and nice. Pussy smell fresh every time, every night. You understand me? Throat well deep. Nice. You understand me? I remember some suck you down looking at your blood clot here them, yeah. Because I'm not so hard for look pan. It's a 7 you talk about. You understand? 7 blood clot plus iPhone. I want to, no girl. I remember say right now me upgrade to the blood clot iPhone 8 Plus because I saw my blood clot feel. No look a blood clot. Sony blood clot Ericsson can't take my man. You understand me? No Sony Ericsson can't take my blood clot, man. No Lada can't take my man. Me is a Benz. Remember that blood clot. Me I want Porsche. Me I want Beamer. No little Lada can't take my man. When I done I slam up my Benz in that the Lada, then I fuck up the Lada. They don't have parts feet no more, so it done. You understand me? I can go fix back my Benz car parts enough. And what do you, girl? Sony Ericsson, I'm telling you this, no on the speed. Sony blood clot Ericsson, no on the speed. No on the speed. And what do you know? Enough of no man have a dash pillar on the face when them a fucking on the ugly no blood clots. You understand me? Uno dirty man, you have to stop it. To stop make them two you feel like 7 because the 7 them are going to left on the blood clot. Me now look at Uno. See me I going to leave you now. I love you guys. Mwah!